Barbecue.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Newbie Q Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host Jazz, and today I have something awesome to cook for you. It's something I've done before. I've done one of these one other time on my channel. I'm not doing anything crazy with it today. I'm just going to do kind of a basic cook, basically, because I'm gonna cut it up and use it for my lunch for the week. But we're cooking a tri-tip, an amazing tri-tip. I'm only using 4 ingredients. We're gonna use a little beef consomme, and we're gonna inject it. We're gonna use some big Papa Smokers beef injection. Good stuff. Gonna sprinkle it with a little steak and chop, which is awesome. And I know people kind of crap on this, but this Famous Day steak and burger seasoning is actually pretty good. But you just can't use a lot of it. You just kind of lightly season the meat because it has more of like an oniony taste. But anyway, that's what we're using. Those 4 things, and then we're gonna put it on the smoker for a little bit. And the smoker, when I say smoker, I'm putting it on my pellet smoker. I'm not doing anything crazy with it. We're gonna put it at a low temperature on that smoker, lowest setting I could go on it, and basically just to get a little smoky flavor in the meat. We're gonna get it to about 100 degrees, and then we're gonna take it off. We're gonna throw it on the Weber. We're gonna get that Weber super hot. And we're just gonna take it straight off from one grill, put it on the other. You're gonna sear each side of it real good, and then that's it. Game over. And we're gonna bring it in here. We'll cut it up, let you see how it looks, and we'll go from there. So let's get on it. All right. First of all, let's get us a knife. That looks like a pretty good knife. All right. Alright, check it out. That's what we got. We seasoned it lightly, okay? Nothing fancy, nothing crazy, just real light seasoning. We use that beef consomme injection as our binder, basically. We kind of just let a little extra in the pan more than anything, and then I kind of sprinkled a little bit over top just to help it give it that beefy flavor. So that's what we're going for. Anyway, the smoker is ready, so let's put this sucker on there. Alright, so sorry about the wind noise, but we're sitting, I don't know if you see it, 43 degrees. We're on 120 degrees inside here, so that's what we're gonna do. I got the probe in, everything looks pretty good, and that's all she wrote, folks. We're gonna let her sit for a little bit. Alright, so now that that's on the grill, I want to tell you real quick, I know I say this every video, but the wind is like horrible. I mean, it's actually a really windy day today anyway, and it's just ripping through here. And of course, now there's your train because I'm trying to talk. Go figure! If you haven't already, go to my Instagram page, NewbieQ2020. Go to my Facebook page at NewbieQ2020. I have a TikTok. NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue. I don't care if you follow that or not, because I'm not that great at it. But anyway, go subscribe to those. Go follow those. Also, go down there, hit that subscribe button down here in the bottom. Hit that bell so you get the notifications. Help me out, guys. Let's do this. We're trying to get these numbers up, so that way we can keep doing this. This is something that I love, something I enjoy, and with your guys' help, we can keep doing it. So anyway, that's all I really wanted to say. It's gonna take a little bit for that thing to get up to that 100-degree mark, and then I gotta get some charcoal rolling, and then we'll go from there. All right, so if you can't hear me, I apologize, but we got a nice, good flame going down there, so we're gonna take this sucker off. We're right at 100. So look at that. Just pull that out of there. Up the side. See? Now we're just gonna sear it right on top of this grill grates. Look at that. Oops, sorry. Didn't show you. Slapped it down there and didn't even show the camera. We're searing it. Wish I had one of those temp guns. You know, the ones you just like shoot. I'm about to get me one of those. But look how hot that sucker is. Hopefully we'll sear that nice. Real nice. Okay, flip it again here. Now we're going to flip it the opposite way we had it earlier. Just like that. Just like that. Oh, look how juicy that is. Oh man, look at that. Alright. Flipping this bad boy again. Same way though. Flip it on that side. Oh man, does that look good? Oh buddy. Doesn't that look good? Okay, here we go. We're gonna check our temp and make sure we got where we want to be. Oh, I think we're perfect. Oh, we're gonna let it go just a hair longer though. Oh man, not much. Right here seems to be a little bit of a cold spot. I think I want to go just a little longer. Okay, we're gonna pull it off, but we're gonna set it off to the side. Whoa. We're gonna set it off to the side. Just a little bit. I'm gonna set it just like this. Okay. And we're just gonna put it back on. We're gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes. Let's check it. See, it's right here. Okay, perfect. Let's take it off. Oh, look at that. Here, let's turn it this way. Look at that. Look how beautiful that looks. All right, boys and girls, let's cut into this bad boy. We're just going to cut right with that line right there. See how it looks. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Doesn't that look good? Whoo-wee. All right. Cut me a little piece here. We're gonna try it, see what happens. Oh yeah. Whew. Oh man, that's good. I think I cut me a couple little pieces here. Cut me another one. That's the way you should do it. That's how you should cook a tri-tip steak. So, whew, I had to shut my door because it was so cold and windy. But anyway, I'm done with this tri-tip. I'm gonna go cut it up. This is gonna be my lunch for a week as a tri-tip. Oh, it's gonna be a good week. Anyway, we'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You know, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell. That way, all that lets you know when I drop a new video. Anyway. See you guys next time on another episode of NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Peace out.